Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling but doesn't break the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport Carbon in Volcano Black. With HID headlamps, carbon fiber grille, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, carbon fiber exterior mirrors, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6268.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.